I just got myself a new toy and I thought I'm going to share it with you guys. This video is not sponsored, I bought this with my own money. We are talking about the Arbortech Spheroplane. Now this is a brand new tool in the market and I never have seen anything like it, so I had to try it. Essentially we're talking about an angle grinder attachment. In the center here you have a cutter head and then you have this outer edge that can be adjusted in height, and that outer edge acts as a guide. Now if it's adjusted like this, where the cutter head is above the outer edge, you can carve out a bowl, or if you do the opposite and you raise the edge so the cutter head is below that outer rim here, you can create a perfect sphere. Now it does come with a dust extraction port. I will have to ignore it for today. I need to get an adapter first for my vacuum. So I'm gonna just go with the good old trusted dust mask. And the plan is to turn this piece of old birch firewood into a perfect sphere. Now I've seen all those demonstration videos online and they always seem to start with a big cube. I guess they just do that to show how capable this tool is. I don't want to waste time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove as much excess material with the chainsaw first. So I'm 1 hour in right now, and as you can see, I'm getting pretty close. There are still a couple spots that I will have to work out, so I will have to keep reducing the shape. I could have saved myself at least another half an hour if I just would have spent 1 more minute with the chainsaw to do a better job with reducing the shape in the first place. But that's how it is. Lesson learned for the next time. Unfortunately, my angle grinder just gave up the ghost, and first I thought it's just the bushings that need replacement, but then I pulled this apart and right away I could smell the burned rubber, and I realized that bearing is completely seized up and baked in the rubber and plastic. And that caused a lot of damage in there, so that angle grinder is beyond repair, so we'll have to keep going with another one. I finished sanding this now, and I really just used 2 different grits of sandpaper in this, and it's amazing how well this worked. The surface is super smooth. I mean, I went over all of it with 220 grit sandpaper by hand, but honestly that would not have been necessary. It is perfect as it is right now. There's something magical about it and it's really hard to explain, but I think I can make it even more magical, so fingers crossed that I don't mess it up right now after all of that work. I think the reason why it is so enjoyable to work with this tool is because you not only reveal the beauty of the end grain and the long grain, but also all the transitional layers in between. Now on top of that, there's just something satisfying about turning a nearly worthless chunk of firewood into a stunning sculpture. Now one last word of advice: when you return the pot that you used to hold the sphere while carving, for the love of God, wait until your wife left the house.